Hello everybody! Today I am going to my school to make a special video for you, my friends. It will be tutorial video. If you watch this video until the end, you will see my announce about flash mob. Very interesting flash mob. Let's go! The idea to make this video came from my subscriber. They asked me to give an advice how they can find the Russian national phonetic alphabet, which will be used in the QSO with Russian radio amateurs. And I decided to make this tutorial video for you. I want to be helpful for my subscribers. Mostly we use for the spelling of the letter Russian female and male names. For example, Alpha, Anna, Anna. Bravo, Boris, Boris. Charlie. It is an interesting case because the word is цапля, цапля. It is a kind of birds. Дельта, Дмитрий, Дмитрий. Эко, Елена, Елена. Foxtrot, Fyodor, Fyodor Lvov was the first Russian radio amateur. Golf, Galina, Galina. Hotel, Hariton, Hariton. It is a male name, but very rare name. I don't know nobody who has this name. Juliet, Yot, Yot. Or Ivan Краткий, Ivan Краткий. Kilo, kilowatt, Konstantin, kilowatt or Konstantin. Lima, Leonid, Leonid. Mike, Mikhail, Mikhail or Maria, Maria, YL Maria. November, Nikolai, Nikolai. Oscar, Olga, Olga, with the soft pronunciation the letter L, Olga. My Germany friends will do it in the right way, I'm sure. Papa, Pavel, Pavel. Quebec, Quebec. We have known this letter in our Russian alphabets. Quebec will be щука, щука. It is a pike, the fish. Radio, Roman, Roman. Radio, radio or Raisa. It is a joke. Don't use Raisa. Please use only Roman or radio, radio. Sierra, Sergei, Sergei. Tango, Tamara, Tamara or Tatiana, Tatiana. Uniform, Uliana. It is my favorite Russian female name, Uliana. Victor, Жук, Жук. It is a beetle. Жук. It is a beetle. Whiskey, Vasily, Vasily. X-ray, знак, знак or X, X. Yankee, Y, Y. I think it is simple. Zulu, it is female name Zinaida, Zinaida or Zoya, the short version of this name, Zoya. Can I continue? Of course, for the QSO we need the numbers. And the numbers it's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9 and 10. I hope it was an interesting video for you. If you like it, please give me your likes and put your comments below what else can be interesting for you, my friends. And now I would like to offer you a flash mob. Now, after this lesson, you know how to spell your call sign in Russian language. You can record short video with your call sign with Russian letters and upload it in the stories in Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget, mark my hashtag YL Raisa. After that, I will repost your stories in my stories and we will have a little fun, if you like it, of course. Let's start. Ульяна, Боря, 1, Анна, Ольга, Anna. 73 and 88.